Any mention for unlisted matter? Any mention for unlisted matter? From supplementary list, item number 1.
But that is long over. There is no conflict of interest. Mr. Khan, received a letter addressed by the Singh Khasi Hima Mohsin Ram. It's dated 8th of September.
Lordship, yes.
And you have a copy of that letter?
Yes. I have received the copy.
So, I have also been to the crematorium.
Lordship.
And I think that we need to take some steps.
Absolutely, Lordship.
My learned brother says that he had appeared in the previous matter,
PIL 9, Lordship.
PIL 9, but I don't think there is
There should not be a conflict of
interest,
interest, Lordship.
because it's not adversarial.
Exactly.
B, it's just to ensure that the community gets, to respect the dead,
The necessary financial
Yes,
assistance,
so-
Lordship is correct.
And it's not just for one community. While we do this, we will ensure that, all of us can say goodbye to our, elders in a dignified manner.
Absolutely, Lordship.
That is the least that we can do. So we are registering this, and we'll keep it sometime next week. And
We'll file a small report, Lordship.
yes, and we want it for all communities.
Absolutely.
Not only for every community. Everyone wants to, say a parting goodbye. The place should be serene. The facilities should be good. And everything should be so that it's possible to say goodbye with a degree of dignity. That is most important.
Absolutely.
And that is what we do not accord. The PIL has been instituted pursuant to a letter dated September 8, 2023, addressed by the Singh Khasi Hima Mohsin Ram, Mohsin Ram same ship, to the Chief Justice. Paragraph. It is necessary to ensure that there are adequate facilities available not only in Shillong but elsewhere in the major towns in the state to ensure a dignified process of cremation or burial, full stop. In particular, such facilities should be available for all the major communities in the state, including the tribes, semicolon, so that the last rites can be performed and traditional customs adhered to with a degree of dignity and in peace and in a quiet atmosphere. Full stop. Paragraph. The matter will appear weekends. The state will report on the facilities available in Shillong and the other major cities of Tura, Jawai, and Nongstoin and Nongpo. Full stop. The state should make every endeavor to augment the existing facilities including setting up of electric crematoria, if necessary. Care should be taken to ensure that environmental concerns are also addressed. Full stop.
Lordships.
From the main list, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, in item number 3, the service is yet to be effected.
since the service in one of the corrected matters has not been completed, let the matter appear a further fortnight hence. Affidavits of service should be filed.
Deeply obliged.
All are connected matters.
Mine. Adalat.
Yes.
From supplementary list, item number 1.
Would the usual way invoke the statutory mechanism, Mr. Paul? So withdraw this, I will give you liberty. Yes. Give us the Disaster Act. Yes, tell us. Is it Disaster Management Act?
Lordship.
Yes, Section 66 of the Act.
Section 66. It's like that what in the national highways or thing also there's 3G or H or something like that.
That's precisely the issue.
It's exactly the same thing.
Lordship.
And I have several judgments on this in Calcutta.
Well, it's the only difficulty here was, well, it's within that time frame that the arbitration was to be invoked. That was not done by us.
But that we cannot help that.
Absolutely, well, I bow down. So I'd have to follow procedure.
So you can, there's nothing preventing you from filing a civil suit.
Absolutely, I bow down.
Yes.
I'll withdraw this, my lords. I'll
Very
withdraw
well.
this.
Since a point of maintainability is taken on behalf of the respondent on the ground that since the arbitration envisaged is statutory and the mechanism therefore is provided in section 66 of the Disaster Management Act 2005, section 11 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 cannot be invoked in such a situation. Paragraph, the petitioner does not wish to press the petition and seeks liberty to pursue the petitioner's remedies in accordance with law. Paragraph, accordingly, AR petition number 1 of 2023 is dismissed as not pressed without going into the merits of the petitioner's substantive claim and by leaving the petitioner free to pursue any other remedy that may be available to it in accordance with law. Paragraph, there will be no orders to cause.
I'll reply.
Thank you.
All right, Lord.